Once in a dense forest, lived a wise old lion and a clever little rat. Despite their size difference, they were great friends. One day, the lion got caught in a hunter's net. He roared for help, echoing through the forest. The rat, quick and sharp, heard the lion's cries and rushed to the spot. Seeing the lion trapped, the rat knew he had to help. Using his sharp teeth, he gnawed at the ropes until the lion was free. The lion was grateful and thanked the little rat for saving his life. The other animals mocked the friendship between the lion and the rat, believing that such a bond was impossible. But the lion, wise and humble, explained, "Size and strength don't determine friendship, it's the heart and loyalty that matter." The forest animals realized their mistake and respected their friendship. The story of the rat and the lion spread far and wide, teaching everyone that true friendship knows no boundaries. It's not about how powerful or weak you are, but the kindness and courage you show in times of need that define the essence of friendship.